po siya dito sa Pilipinas at surprisingly, she has learned the Pinoy lingo. Nakilatis naman kaya niya ang Pinoy ego. Aba, matingnan niya. Hello, Miss Lana Asani. How are you?
I'm okay.
Mabuti ka naman.
Mabuti ikaw.
Mabuti. Type mo ba physically ang mga Pinoy men?
Physically, medyo dark.
Ang gusto mo yung medyo maitim ng konti. Moreno.
Konti. Moreno, pero medyo not too dark, no?
Medium lang.
Medium. Hindi black, ano? Diba?
Tapos,
tall.
ang gusto mo na matangkad. Tall, dark, and handsome.
Tall, dark, and handsome.
Sa mga panliligaw, okay ka naman ba? Mas gusto mo ba yung Pinoy o yung mga non-Pinoys? Anong difference?
Meron difference. Sa Pinoy or foreign. Kasi
Ang mga Pinoy?
Pinoy, more medyo like
Forward? Masyadong agresibo?
Medyo forward, yeah. More gentleman, actually.
Talaga? Gentleman na aggressive.
For me, yeah. Kasi it's
Maginoong medyo bastos.
medyo bastos.
Medyo bastos. Okay.
Pero ako, for me, I like that. Kasi they know how to, treat a woman.
Okay ba sa'yo yung mutual understanding lang? Kasi pag sinabi mutual understanding, parang walang commitment.
Depende, like...
Kiligan lang. Puro kiligan to do.
Well, kasi for me, like, for example, diba, meron like one night stand, meron fling, meron whatever, diba? So, for me, ayoko one night stand. I don't like that.
Okay.
Tapos, fling is medyo like one night stand, diba?
Parang ganun.
Parang like one night stand.
Ganun.
So, for me, it's okay to have a relationship but doesn't have to be serious. Kasi I'm still young and...
Paano mo naman nakahandle yung machismo o yung Pinoy ego? Kasi ang Pinoy ego, ibang klase. Di ba? Ayaw patalo. Di ba? Paano mo nakahandle yun? Okay ba sa'yo? O parang gusto mo naman yung, hindi, kailangan medyo patalo ka lang ng konti. Yung mga ganun.
It's okay. I can handle it.
Doesn't really bother you?
No, because, for me, it's like, if I can see they have an ego, like, I have my way how to do it, to show them, to bring them down from the sky.
Diba? Paano kaya yung way na yun? Matutunan nga. Okay lang ba sa'yo mga Pinoy na babaero?
Diba, it's, medyo bastos, pero medyo...
Babaero,
like, has a lot of, girls. Hindi, ayoko.
Ayaw mo, gusto mo faithful.
Yeah.
Faithful.
Actually.
One woman man.
Actually, yeah.
Siyempre.
As for me, I'm like the type, it's like, for me, it's okay to have a relationship, like, I let the guy do what he wants to do, what he has to do, I'm not like, selosa.
You're not one to cramp his style?
Oh, no, hindi.
Hindi ka selosa?
Hindi selosa.
Talaga?
Depends. Of course, if I see the guy, with another
Actually,
girl.
flirting.
Oh, flirting, of course, syempre. I get
Kakapikon.
mad. Yeah, I get
Naman.
mad. But I won't do anything there if I see him. I just do it in a different way.
Would you consider marrying a Filipino?
Why not? You never know.
Oo naman, you'll never know. What is the one thing you like most about Filipino men? Yung nag-iiba nilang trait.
I think it's the charm. I don't know.
Filipino charm.
It's the Filipino charm. They have something.
They have something out
Yeah,
there. You
it's
can't sort of
something.
get it, pero meron, di ba?
Yeah, and I think they know how to talk.
And what
That's
do you
what's
hate most about them?
Most about them? Well, cheating. Most of them do. It's true. That's I don't like. Because it's really true. I mean, 80% of them. And the rest is okay. Yeah.
The rest is okay?
Yeah.
Wow. Ayan po, kung titingnan, iba-iba siya sa atin. Tall, blonde, blue-eyed, di ba? Blue-eyed ba? Hindi, yellow yung eyes eh.
Yellow, hindi.
But deep inside, Pinay po siya, kagaya natin. Like my sister Jelly, and like you, yun ang pinaka-importante sa lahat.
Thoughts on one night stand? Wag naman. Delikado.
For me, ayoko one night stand. I don't like that.
Next, flirting. Pamitin ka.
Okay.
For me, it's okay to have a relationship, but it doesn't have to be serious. Kasi I'm still young and I'm not
Parang
looking
you like
for...
it.
Next, married men.
Okay lang, married din. Hindi na naman pala, pero okay lang sa akin.
Okay lang ba sa'yo mga Pinoy na babae?
Right, medyo bastos, pero medyo babaero.
Babaero,
Like,
parang...
there's a lot of girls. Hindi, ayoko.
Safe sex. Oo, importante yan.
Would you want to have a sister?
I would love to, yeah. But then again, it might be a problem.
And last but not least, sister. Sister, I love her.